Imagine a world where the digital divide vanishes, where high-speed internet blankets every inch of the planet, from dense urban jungles to the most secluded corners of untouched wilderness. This futuristic vision is inching closer to reality as a major tech player unveils plans to launch a staggering fleet of 10,000 satellites, forming the backbone of a next-gen 6G network. This audacious move isn't just about faster downloads, it's a direct challenge to existing satellite internet giants, reshaping the future of global connectivity. Current satellite internet systems have made strides in bridging gaps for remote communities, but this new project takes ambition to another level. By deploying thousands of satellites across two orbital tiers, low Earth orbit for speed and geostationary orbit for stability, the network aims to erase dead zones entirely. The implications are vast. Think driverless cars navigating flawlessly via real-time data, surgeons performing operations remotely with zero lag, or holographic meetings replacing pixelated video calls. Where existing systems prioritize basic connectivity, this 6G-driven network promises to transform how we interact with technology itself. The engineering behind this feat is staggering. Nearly 8,000 satellites will zip through low Earth orbit, minimizing latency for applications demanding split-second responses. The remaining 2,000 will anchor in geostationary orbit, acting as steadfast relays for regions needing consistent coverage. Innovations like electric propulsion systems slash fuel needs, extending each satellite's lifespan, while terahertz frequency transmitters push data speeds into uncharted territory, potentially reaching terabits per second. To manage this sprawling web, artificial intelligence will dynamically allocate bandwidth, anticipating usage spikes and rerouting traffic seamlessly. And with cybersecurity baked into the design through quantum-resistant encryption, the network aims to be as secure as it is powerful. This project doesn't just innovate, it disrupts. Established players with thousands of satellites already in orbit now face a rival that could outpace them in both scale and sophistication. While current systems focus on incremental upgrades, this new constellation leverages breakthroughs like AI-optimized signal routing and energy-efficient designs that could drive down costs over time. The economic ripple effects could be profound, making high-speed access affordable for developing nations while forcing competitors to accelerate their own tech roadmaps. But the stakes extend beyond market competition. Nations are increasingly viewing internet infrastructure as a strategic asset, akin to highways or power grids. Control over a global satellite network could shift geopolitical influence, with countries aligning based on technological alliances rather than traditional trade blocs. For regions historically excluded from the digital economy, this could be a game changer. Enabling access to education, healthcare, and global markets. Yet it also raises thorny questions: who governs this orbital ecosystem? How do we prevent monopolies over what's essentially a planetary utility? Societally, the impact could be transformative. Picture rural schools streaming virtual reality field trips, farmers using real-time satellite data to optimize crops, or disaster zones reconnecting within hours instead of days. But with hyperconnectivity comes risk. A network this vast becomes a tempting target for cyber attacks, while the sheer volume of data flowing through it amplifies privacy concerns. Balancing innovation with safeguards will be critical, ensuring the tech empowers rather than exploits. As this vision transitions from blueprint to reality, it forces us to reimagine what's possible. We're not just talking about better internet, we're looking at the infrastructure for tomorrow's breakthroughs, from smart cities to AI-driven industries. Yet the human element remains key. Will this network unite the globe, or deepen existing divides? The answer hinges on how we steer its development, prioritizing inclusivity, transparency, and ethical governance every step of the way. What's your take? Does the promise of universal connectivity excite you, or do the risks give you pause? Could this level the playing field for underserved communities, or might it concentrate power in new ways? Drop your thoughts below, and if you're curious about other tech frontiers, from quantum computing's rise to the battle for chip supremacy, let me know where to dive next. Thanks for watching, and keep dreaming big.